Imagine starting your day knowing you've unlocked a new level of capability. You've been solving challenges and fielding tickets, all while ensuring customers get the help they need. Now, picture amplifying your skills with a practical approach to artificial intelligence that transforms routine troubleshooting into smart, proactive solutions. With these training courses from Complete AI Training, you learn to harness AI in a way that isn't just futuristic tech talk, but a real tool you can apply today. This isn't about abstract theory. Instead, you dive into hands-on experiences that show you how to use AI to streamline your work, automate repetitive tasks, and even predict issues before they fully emerge. You get clear, accessible video lessons and exercises that build your skills step by step. As you sharpen your expertise, you free up time for strategic problem solving and creative innovation in customer support. Beyond the new tools and techniques, most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Enhance your workflow, elevate your role, and secure your future by mastering these essential AI skills. You can find all AI for help desk technicians training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.